Tropical, the island breeze, all of nature wild and free. This is where I long to be, La Isla Bonita. And when the samba played, the sun would set so high, ring through my ears and sting my eyes, your Spanish lullaby.
Hello everyone, today I will review the Mee'sport T3. Mee'sport headphones T3 give you crisp, powerful sound, and quiet that lets you hear your music better. They give the music you love deep, clear sound. What's in the box? Mee'sport T3 Bluetooth Studio Headphones, carrying case, micro USB charging cable, 3.5mm audio cable, user manual. 1. Up to 24 hours of battery life for multi-day use. A built-in 600 mAh battery won't allow your headphones power off. You can enjoy your world without noise at least 24 hours at Bluetooth mode. Don't need to worry the power shortage problem on the long travel. Mee'sport Bluetooth headsets can be used as wired headphone without battery consumption for unlimited playback. 2. One key easy operation, all function integrated on a button. Just use this button to finish the call answer. Bluetooth pairing, power on and power off, volume control, song select. Easy to handle, skill eliminating. 3. Impressive sound quality is the ultimate goal, and please note, 1. This item is passive noise isolating, not active noise cancellation. It can't cancel the noise completely, but it won't drain the battery and damage the sound. As an additional factor of sound quality, it is better than ANC2. The closed-back design provides immersive hi-fi sound with CIRE chip and 40mm driver together. 4. Durable housing, cushioned headband and memory protein earpads for long hours in the studio. The memory protein ear cushions simulate human skin texture, ensuring lasting comfort. The adjustable stainless steel sliders and softly padded headband allows you to find the personalized fit without constraint and provide excellent durability. 5. Travel Bluetooth headphones with carrying case. Each pair of our headphones comes with their own travel-friendly storage, carrying case. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.